Hi children, I am Bhargavi Joshi from Triveni Public School. Welcomes you all for computer class of grade 2. Today's topic is computer and electronic machine. Before going to the lesson, let us revise the parts of computer that you have already studied in the last year. Parts of computer: monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, speaker. Let us explain one by one. Monitor looks like a TV screen. It allows you to see what you are doing on the computer. CPU, the full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. CPU solves the problems and control operations of all other parts of computer. Keyboard is used for typing. The keyboard has keys for alphabets, numbers and signs. Next is mouse. Mouse is a pointing device which is used to pointing and clicking. Speakers helps us to listen to the sounds by the computer. I hope you all revised the parts of computer. See children, because of its versatility, computer has become a part of our life. It is used almost everywhere. Computer helps us to do many things. We can draw the pictures, we can type the letters, we can play the games, we can solve the sums, we can watch movies and cartoons, and also we can listen to the music. Like this, it has become a major part of our life. Let us discuss how computer differs from the human being. What makes computer to be different from the human being? A computer works very fast and can do many jobs at the same time. But a man needs more time to do any work. Secondly, a computer has a good memory. It never forgets anything that is stored in it. But a man may forget the information stored in his mind. A computer does not make any mistake. But human tendency, a man can make mistakes. A computer cannot take its own decisions. It works according to the user's instructions. A man can take decisions of his own. A computer works on man's order. But a man does not need any order to do work. A computer does not have any feelings. For example, if you hit a monitor, it does not react. But a man has feelings. For example, if you get hurt, you feel very sad. See, like this, computers and man differs from each other. Okay children, in the next class, we'll discuss working of computers. Thank you children. Bye.